Oh, just a beatward staying in Inwood. We dropped off that load, picked up the felon from his weekends, and he's only here for the week because he's gotta go pack the suitcase for the weekend, if you know what I'm saying. But yeah, I picked up these cabinets. I was thinking to myself, it'll be nice to have those. And then I started moving some stuff around. Next thing you know, I forgot I had to, the stuff that used to be there is going to have to go somewhere. So yeah, there I did it again, boys. Oh, looks like I opened another can of Pandora's Dinks. Not like I have anything else going on. Hey, I apologize, but maybe we should go see if there's any felonious acts going on outside. Oh, she's just a wonderful day out today, boys. It would be so terrific for felonious activities. A big time. Holy fucking shit. You just come into the Doniker after me? That's never happened before.
Cool. I wasn't trying to sneak up.
Holy f***. I thought I was under attack. Holy f***. How you making out, buddy?
Just waking up, actually.
Oh, were you on the pops? No.
I woke up earlier too and then fell back asleep.
Oh,
yeah.
Fuck. Yep. Holy f***, you sneaky.
What, my pops?
Sneaky.
Sneaky.
Yeah. What's up?
The drive shafts. I'm just wondering, like, where.
Where they are?
Yeah, essentially. Just what to cut. I don't want to just start cutting willy-nilly, you know?
Yeah. Here's some stuff for you, too. Cleaning up my shop here. There's a Make Her Hotter.
Oh, nice.
There's a f***ing Get Her Offer with a longer asshole, and then another Get Her Offer and shit. This one's a little bit decked or whatever, but you know what I mean? In a pinch. And,
oh, ratchet f***ing drive. Yeah. Nice.
Oh, boys, I done messed up. Yeah, I got a whole other project on the go, but got the blue one over there. This one no good. This is all the hammers were in the bottom and then just broken, so we're gonna try to not do that again. What in the fuck?
What year is that truck?
What truck?
That old one right here, that red one.
So let's go check on him. Some meth head showed up here too. Of course, my camera died as soon as words were exchanged, but that's pretty cool. There's some absolute goof meth head friggin' driving around onto other people's property. He said that. He's like, and a guy up the road was all hostile too. It's like, well, yeah, you're driving around on people's shit. Oh no.
Yeah. It's just the ones on the other side though.
Not too heavy?
It's not that bad, actually. I'm surprised. I thought it was gonna be, I thought it was gonna be crushed. All right, man.
Oh, you did it, buddy. Holy. Right. I've never seen so many good works. Seen a few felonious acts, but not so many good works.
Oh, okay, good.
Right on you.
Well, hopefully you caught the felonious acts on.
Yeah, for sure.
On tape,
definitely on a movie. You'll be all right. Just stand over here and do it. Right? Never stand under. Always stand beside.
Oh yeah. Don't worry, I fucking learned that.
Learned that the hard way, didn't you?
Yeah. Almost.
Yeah. And I don't know, a couple hours ago or something, this fucking this SUV came flying up here, like a you McSiggert into my fucking laneway, and then as I was coming out, like backed out the laneway and then like started backing up the road. I'm like walking right towards him, like, what the fuck are you doing? And it's like there's like some broad in the passenger seat and then like some dude with no shirt on just tweaking right out. He's like, oh, what year's that truck and stuff? And I'm like, what the fuck are you talking about? You know what I mean? And he's like, oh, I see this and that. And some other guy up the road was pulling a heavy and shit. And it's like, well, yeah, if you're just rip-roaring in people's fucking shit, all tweaking out on different phenomines, like, yeah, like, you're not going to have a good time here.
Fucking honking that was going on?
Yeah.
No shit,
and I was like, can get the fuck out of here, goof, or whatever like that. And, and he was just like, he's like, and then just fucking down the road like crazy.
What the fuck is going on?
Yeah, that was that.
Holy.
Because right at the end of this road, like very end, there's like a house. Meth.
Ah.
Amphetamines.
Ah, okay.
Right on, have a good day. Oh, careful. Oh, hopefully he makes it.
I was gonna say he's gonna throw a rod bearing and half it back.
Holy shit, where's he going? Where are you going? Turn the wheel.
Should have watched those cops nowadays with those plates. They think they got the scanners in them now, eh? They just pull it behind you.
Yeah, report your whole operation.
Goodbye.
Taillight warranty, boys. She gone. Well, we got bad news, boys. The felon got caught. I knew that helicopter was, you know, wasn't just flying around Inwood willy-nilly. So, yeah, he's gotten caught and he's doing weekends now. So we got to drop him off at prison at the county. How are you doing? Yeah. Oh, I got a surprise for you, buddy.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Good surprise, bad surprise.
Oh, you're gonna love it.
Oh shit.
Well, first of all,
Okay.
since you got caught and you're doing weekends now, I got a little surprise for you. I got you a lighter and some cigarettes to bring in for the boys.
Nice, nice.
You know what I mean? You can pack your prison suitcase.
What the fuck is this? No, tingle cream.
Oh yeah, tingle cream. This is so you know you can slide it in easy, but this is some other stuff. Here, you can get 10% off your tingle cream.
Oh yeah, boy.
It's old tingle cream or something like that. And then there's this stuff here. I don't know what that is. That's just tape for tying up your panhandler, and then you can hang this on your cell door.
Nice.
Right?
Nice.
You hang that on your cell door.
Yeah, yeah.
And this is from Pure Romance.
God.
Pure Romance. So I'm sure Titan men's lotion. You can use that on one of your cellmates. Just like me. I don't know what that. Oh, it's a lubricant. It's a personal lubricant. Yeah, you might want to use that for the cigarettes.
Yeah.
And what's this one? Oh, conditioned shaving cream, and you can get rid of some of that scruff you've been you've been sporting there a little bit. And then you've got a lovely letter.
Oh my god.
Yeah, lovely letter. It says a whole bunch of stuff about shaving lotions and different things. But yeah, you can check out this Pure Romance, and you get all your different type of antler creams. Oh, and you're not being safe at all. And I just happened to find a new set of spectacles to keep you safe. We'll just put that right in there, so you got your case for your thing there. That's so they don't fall off.
That's what.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah.
Safe, right? So what do you think?
Awesome.
You're ready for the weekend now.
I guess so.
Eh?
Yeah.
Your first weekend, you have to come back and let us know how it goes.
Just gotta make sure I don't mix up the shaving cream and the
Lubricant, yeah, you know, I take care of my mummies. You know what I mean? I've been collecting hobos for 15 years.
Yeah, exactly.
For 15 years I've been collecting hobos, so you're not your first one, right?
Yeah, sure enough. Can't be.
I've learned what they like. Guy at the scrapyard wanted a shirt, so I remembered this time. Put it in the truck so that I don't forget it. What do you think of the different weathers, eh? How do you like them apples, bud? I apologize. Are you strong?
Am I strong? I don't know. How strong am I?
We gotta lift this, put it on the pallet?
Well, I can help you with it at least.
Yeah, you can. I'll make okay, do.
Oh, yeah, sure, yeah. Well, yeah.
Oh, what's your
Oh, don't worry. I already hit my head off earlier.
Nice.
Yep.
It fips anything?
Oh.
Okay, swing around 180.
180?
180. And the end isn't fucking copacetic into the guy. Nice. That's good components right there.
Just moving the shit out of that.
Nice. Did you put that ointment I give you?
No,
around the opening?
No, that's for me. That's for me.
Oh, you just get yourself a carrot later and
No.
Oh, I've been there. Yeah. That's pretty seized on. It's kind of looking like it might be stuck, maybe a little bit. That's good.
Every other one comes out nice and easy. Yeah, that just pulls out.
Oh, it just pulls out! Oh, boys, what are we gonna do? Oh, the glow cigarettes, eh? Oh, funny that. Funny that. Well, we gotta pull the car out, so it won't start if we're running fuel all over the ground, so that's, you know, that's less than ideal. Really. Holy shit, those floods! Got him! Oh, that was a long drive. Wow. Dropped the felon off Barton Street. Hey, he's doing weekends. Got him a suitcase packed. Some cigarettes and a lighter and stuff. Easter present for him. You know what I mean? Yeah. But oh man. Yeah, I don't know why I do Donald's. I guess there's other options, but it's the quickest and easiest when you're out on the roads. But man, my internals. What do you think? Is she gonna start? Or is it just oh, my dunk truck, boys. My dunk truck. Well, I just blinkers. I turned the phone. I was like, oh look, the hazards, and I turned that on, and it worked for a second. Now it doesn't work at all. And now the blinkers don't work. Awesome! I'm a real Fipshit Schmidt, boys. Oh, shitter cam! You f***ing disgusting.
I knew that was coming.
Yeah, you were posing.
I'm posing.
Oh, I want to get my shitter on a movie.